So let's see what Warmoth have sent me. This time should be their 40th anniversary special run die body. It's been sold out very quickly, within 10 minutes or something. The good one already sold out, so I'm lucky to get one, the one I like. Also, they managed to send it out before the lockdown of the non-essential business. So I'm lucky to get one. Here it is. Got a 40th anniversary on the paper. There's some special gift package. This is something I ordered, some tools and some strap belt. I think this is something they give out for the 40th anniversary. Some pickpocket and a t-shirt. Large in size or something. Here's the guitar I'm waiting for. It's called a P something die. Not sure how to pronounce it. Wow! Can you see? It's very beautiful. Got some translucent grades from the amber gold to some kind of purple, and to the blue. This is the car I want, P90 single car and the TV zones in the hair. On the back is a roaster ash, lightweight roaster ash, solid body. I have turned the lighting brighter, so it's more easy to see the figure. The neck pocket is a little bit too narrow, so the neck cannot be easily to put in, or you're risking to crack if you force in, risking to crack here. Due to the camera change or something, the wood may be shrinking a little bit. So I'm gonna to grind away a little bit here and here. Now the neck can be fit in. Relatively easy. Still a little bit tightened on this corner, I think, fitting. So get a little bit more sanding on the corner. Right now it's more easy to fit in. This one got thinner lacquer, so it's more easy to put in. So let's see how it looks on this neck. So this is how it looks. It's actually look okay, I think. It's kind of yellowish, with the middle is some kind of yellowish. I also think about some kind of a reddish, purple heart, or some kind of brown color neck. Another option is this where I maple neck. It's kind of okay and it's similar to other maple neck. This one is the thin maple neck. I have think about dyeing this part to this color, dyeing the headstock. This is another bird eye maple one, but with rosewood fingerboard. This one is planning to use on the Jimi Hendrix tribute guitar. This is another cover neck. Similar to this one. But if I don't buy any new neck, I think I probably use this one first. This one have kind of a cover thin cover veneer on the headstock. This is quite matching with here. For the bridge, if you're using gold color, so this one, or using the black one. Also, if we're using copper color, chrome color, and probably using a chrome color bridge, because for the P90, I got a bare nickel blue nose one I haven't used yet. This one is also chrome color. The TV Jones haven't mailed to me yet, so I don't have the TV Jones here. Maybe put one like this. The chrome color I think look okay with this body. Also, I only asked Warner to cut one control knob for here. So because I want the other one is in here, the tone knob is similar to the tele body, the tone knob. Another option is using the queen color. The queen color is actually look okay, but the problem is the TV zone pickup don't have the queen color. Another option is the gold color. I don't know, but the gold color I just feel a little bit too much for me, so I keep the pickup in chrome color. Chrome color is, I think it's chrome color okay, but I probably maybe try to turn the chrome color into this kind of champagne gold. It's not too much gold like this, but with a little bit toward the goldish, what they call the champagne gold, to make the cone a little bit special. I don't know, maybe let's see. The cone color maybe it's okay with the blue on the side, the coat color. Another option is using the black hardware. Because the knot if take away too much attention, so the knot also using the black one. It's quite simplified, and also the bridge is simplified. The tuner machine also using the black one. And the whole thing may be more simplified. I think for me, the black hardware with the kind of black net and the black tuner, I think also look nicer. If we take away this one, change this one with the black hardware here. So yes, this kind of Cosmo black, what I call the Goto hardware, a kind of a chromeish black, also look quite nice with the whole design. So I think maybe another option is using this kind of chromeish black, turn the bridge and the two knot also into this kind of chromeish black. Even turn the pickup cover into this chromeish black. The whole thing look quite classy, I think. This is another option. As I don't have the TV Jones picker right now, so I 3D print TV Jones picker shape. You can put, so I can put here and testing different color. This is some kind of champagne silver or champagne gold. I think this is look better. This kind of champagne gold. But anyway, I think I more like the color of the chromical black. So I'm probably going to make the pickup and all the hardware become a conical black. So the whole thing is unified. And this maple net is just, the color is too light for the whole thing. So I will stick with this one, cover veneer on the top. The veneer will be look nice with the body. Only change the headstock hardware to this comical black one. Some people may ask what happened to the last Telecaster, what you call the most beautiful Telecaster head. So this is the progress up to now. And I put on the blue color tuner. The blue color, also the wiring is done. The blue color look quite nice with the body. And a little bit don't like the chrome color on this part. It's not blue color. But anyway, the chrome color is echo with the bridge. So it still look okay. The neck is also quite nice. The wingate neck is also feeling quite nice. The queen binding is matching with the guitar. So the whole thing is I quite like, including the pickup. I also like I will keep. The only thing stop me for make any other progress is the bridge pickup. I don't like the sound of this bridge pickup. This Samuel Duncan bridge pickup is not too hot, but it's the sustain is much shorter than the neck pickup. Even you're playing the same notes, I don't know why the sustain is shorter in the same guitar. But anyway, I'm gonna change this bridge pickup, bass kind of pickup, or also the lower Charlie Children pickup, because I want to cover this gap also on the top of the pickup. I want to make some kind of Art Deco kind of decoration. So haven't make any other progress beside after I decide which pickup I want to change here. Because right now, you know, under the coronavirus outbreak, a lot of the pickup manufacturers are closing down, so they haven't shipping out the pickup. So I will not order some kind of pickup in the short time. So maybe later on, because right now I still got other project can be fill my time. So I'll probably continue this one in the future. In the meantime, still this one is playable. I can still enjoy to play with the neck pickup. So I'm not in a hurry to do any other progress on this one.